Now, continuing on with our loops, I'm going to show you how you can apply a while loop to a username or password situation. So for example, I could have my username equals rchambers and my password equals 12 at cs at school. All right, so a random password there. Now, I'm going to ask this program before I can log in, text window dot write line, enter your username. Then I'm going to need to read that in. So user's username equals text window dot read, text window dot write line, enter your password. User's password equals text window dot read. So that should make relative sense at the moment. We've set what the password is in the program. We have set what the user types in, the user's username and the user's password. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a while loop here, and I'm going to say while my username is not, so the two arrows that point the opposite way means not. So while my username and user's username are not the same, I'm testing this condition. So my user's username and user's username, while they are not the same, all right, but you can also do a capital A, so and you can test multiple conditions. So we're going to say my password, all right, and not equal to user's password. I'm going to need to know, all right. While this isn't case, you're going to say text window dot write line, username and password not correct. And then you're going to need to ask them again. So what this program will do is it will continue asking somebody their username and password until it's correct. So I'm going to say end while. And when it is correct, I'm going to say correct outside of the loop. Notice I don't need to indent it. And welcome to the program. You may enter. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test this program. It's always important to test it. And we are going to see what happens when I put in the wrong username and password over and over and over. So we're going to go run that. Bob. So you can see it's not working, but I know that my username is capital R Chambers. The password is 12 at capital C at school. So this should let me in now. Welcome to the program. You may enter. So just so you learn a little bit about other operators, you can join multiple conditions together using and or all right? So I could put or. In this case, or would not work because I need both of these conditions to be true. You'd use an or when it was one or the other. And I hope that that video kind of gives you an idea of how it's used. Enjoy.